So I just showed you the kits. I went ahead and activated that online, and I'll share some pictures on how I did that. After you activate, it goes through some slides explaining to you what to do. So the first thing that you do is you spit into the tube until it reaches that line right there where it says spit to here. So I'm gonna do that first. And it said don't count the bubbles, so. Almost there. Then one more time and I got it. Alright guys. Okay, now you want to take this funnel off and screw on this little, I think they called it a stabilizing liquid, so I'm going to screw that. Should it be tighter than this? So I think it's as you screw, it drops in there. Let's see. I don't know. Oh, there, it went down. So release the stabilizing liquid and then shake the tube for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Oh, the liquid's gone. It went down to the bottom. Okay, place the tube in the collection bag, which I got right here. On the collection bag, it says by sending your sample, you acknowledge that your sample will be processed by Ancestry DNA in the U.S. for the purpose described in and archived consistent with the terms available online at your local Ancestry website. The DNA kit and test results are not intended for your personal medical or diagnostic use. It says do not remove absorbent bag, pad, and collection. There's this little like pad in here. It says to leave it in there. On this side, there's some more instructions. Insert capped tube into package. Seal the collection bag. Place bag in return mailer and activate test online, which we did. I'm scared. I hope this doesn't come off. Okay, so I'm gonna, I feel really slow right now. Okay, maybe take this off. And, oh, it's open already. All right, so I'm gonna drop this in here. And then there's a little seal right here. Y'all, I don't know why I'm so nervous about this. I think like just being a black person and how we don't really know where we came from, and I've been wanting to do one of these forever, but I just couldn't justify the money. But I was able to get it, and so I'm like super excited. I will say this. My mom's brother did this, and so just a little background. My mom does not know who her father is, and my grandmother never disclosed that to her for whatever reason. And so me and her are hoping maybe we'll get some answers from this test about her father's line. But my uncle, who is her brother, they have different dads, did track one of the ancestry lines on my grandmother's side, I think through her grandfather, y'all. So my grandma, they were able to trace it back to like the 1700s. So my family's from Louisiana, and it was generations of people born in Opelousas, Louisiana, right? And then it goes to France. So I'm guessing, so this is the box once it's sealed. So I'm gonna bring this to the post office in the morning. So basically, it traced back to France, and it was a white male, and it says on there that he was a slave owner. So I'm assuming he came from France to Louisiana, eventually probably the Opelousas, St. Landry Parish area, just to colonize like colonizers do. And I'm just like, I have colonizer in my bloodline. I wasn't sure how I should feel about that, you know? I think it's interesting to know, but that was a little sad. So I'm hoping through this I can learn more about my origins on my dad's side, who also was born in Opelousas, Louisiana, as well as his parents, if I'm not mistaken. So my parents met there. So it's a small town in Louisiana. So we'll see where his line leads, if it tells me anything. But since that was traced, there should be some French and whatever they come up with. So we'll see. I'm pretty excited about this. I want to know. And whatever my most prominent African country is, once COVID has run its course, I'm taking a trip. Me and maybe my sister. We're going to make it happen. But thank you guys for watching. I will make another video once I get my results to share that with you. And thank you for watching.